Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based nutrition with a product that promises to shake up your routine.
Introducing the Ripple Vegan Protein Shake Variety Pack.
Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. First off, it's all about the protein punch. Each bottle packs a whopping 20 grams of nutritious pea protein. That's right, no whey, soy, or dairy here. Just pure, plant-based goodness.
But here's where it gets even better: variety.
With flavors like chocolate, coffee, and vanilla, there's something to suit every taste bud. Whether you're a chocolate lover or a caffeine fiend, Ripple has you covered.
Now, let's talk convenience. These shakes are perfect for those on the go. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or a light meal replacement, just grab a bottle and you're good to go. No mixing, no mess, just shake and sip.
And here's the kicker: shelf stability.
That's right, no need to worry about refrigeration.
These babies are shelf stable, meaning you can stash them in your pantry or desk drawer until you're ready to enjoy.
Talk about convenient. But wait, there's more.
Ripple isn't just about great taste and convenience, it's also about doing good. As a public benefit corporation and certified B Corp company, Ripple is committed to sustainability, transparency, and performance.
So you can feel good about what you're putting into your body and the impact you're making on the planet. So there you have it, folks. The Ripple Vegan Protein Shake Variety Pack.
Delicious, nutritious, and oh so convenient. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based pro or just dipping your toes into the world of veganism, this product is sure to satisfy.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay curious.